In this video, we listed the 5 best remote control RC cars on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. MN128 RC Truck Car. The MN128 112 RC Car is a detailed and high-performance model designed for off-road adventures. Manufactured by MN Model, this 112 scale car comes in black, orange, and grey colors with a 2.4 GHz transmitter and features such as LED lights, a strong magnetic motor, and a waterproof servo for precise control. With a climbing performance of up to 45 degrees, this 4x4 medium-drive vehicle is equipped with realistic features like headlights, brake lights, turn signals, and more for an immersive experience. The package includes the RC car, remote control, battery options, USB charger, accessories set, and stickers. Powered by a 7.4V lithium battery, this RC car offers a flight time of about 35 minutes and a remote distance of approximately 50 meters, making it an exciting and durable gift for boys aged 14 and above. The MN128 Jeep Wrangler boasts a versatile design and advanced features like anti-jamming technology for multi-car competitive play, making it a thrilling remote-controlled toy for enthusiasts. Number 2. JIKEFUN RC Cars. The JIKEFUN RC Cars 2.4G amphibious high-speed off-road drift radio-controlled buggy is a versatile and exciting toy for kids, offering the ability to drive on both land and water in dual modes. It comes in blue or orange color options and is made of ABS material and electronic components. The car features functions like forward, backward, left and right turns, along with a 360-degree rotation capability. With a 7.4V 18500 900 mAh battery for the car and remote control requiring 2 AA batteries, it offers an engaging remote control experience with long-distance capabilities. The package includes the necessary items for immediate use, such as the original box, batteries, operating instructions, charger, and remote controller. This ready-to-go car by JIKEFUN underlines its quality as a remote-controlled toy car suitable for children aged 14 and above. Designed as a drift RC car with a mini size, it offers a fun and interactive play experience with features like remote control, making it an ideal choice for young boys interested in cars and remote control toys. Number 3. HAIBOXING T10 RC Car. The HBX2105 T10 114 RC Car is a versatile and high-speed remote-controlled car option suitable for kids. With 2 different models available, the 2105A provides a top speed of 75 km/h while the T10 offers a maximum speed of 40 km/h. Both models come with a range of features including a 2.4G remote control system, for WD independent suspension system, and various metal components for durability. The cars are ready to go out of the box with Li-ion batteries and USB charging cables included. The specifications for each model vary in terms of battery type, driving motor, working time, and other parameters. Additionally, the cars come with a set of certificates and specifications such as wheelbase, remote distance, and design details like dirt bike aesthetics. The brand SZWDSE ensures quality construction with a mix of metal and plastic materials. The models cater to different age groups and offer an exciting RC experience for enthusiasts. Number 4. LDARC X43 Crawler RC Car. The electric car by AOF Technology comes ready to go and is powered by a lithium battery, providing a flight time of 80 minutes and a remote distance of up to 50 meters. With dimensions of 100 by 52.8 by 53 mm, this car design incorporates metal, plastic, and rubber materials. The package includes the original box, batteries, operating instructions, charger, remote controller, and a USB cable. Operating on 4 channels in Mode 2, the remote-controlled car is suitable for individuals aged 14 and above. The product originates from mainland China, offering features ideal for enthusiasts of remote-controlled cars. Number 5. JJRC Q130 RC Car. The JJRC Q130 is an electric dirt bike designed for remote control operation. Powered by a lithium battery, this model features a throttle servo with a 2.4 G frequency and a steering servo with 5 lines weighing 17 G. The RC390 power system allows for ready-to-go state of assembly, providing a flight time of 15 to 30 minutes within a remote distance of 80-120 m. The scale of this dirt bike is 1/16, with dimensions measuring 34.5 by 20.5 by 14.8 cm. The package includes batteries, operating instructions, a remote controller, and a USB cable. With 4 channels of control and Mode 2 controller mode, this dirt bike is suitable for users aged 14 and above. The design combines metal and plastic materials, with CE certification ensuring quality. Produced in mainland China, this JJRC Q130 model offers a thrilling remote control experience for hobbyists and enthusiasts alike.